We are in Japan's Fukui prefecture in Mikuni. And this is a ryokan called Bouyourou. And it was completely redone, the inside, last year, so 2021. So this is fresh and new, not just the rooms, but the whole interior of the building, from the walls to the floor to everything. So this is room 102. There are, I believe there's 8 rooms here at Bouyourou. I'll have to double check later. And the good thing about this ryokan is that there's no entry-level room and special suite or anything like that. They're all very nice, and it's just up to you in terms of your preference from a room layout perspective. So this is the one we chose, and so let's take a look at this. Right? I forgot what room type it is, but it's something you can look online. And this is the bedroom. Again, completely redone. It smells and looks fresh. Very earthly, muted colors. Soothing, but modern at the same time. So this is the bedroom. And then just to show, there's a little closet, bedroom closet here. See? And then turning around, let's walk out this way. Continuing down the hallway, the next thing come up is the toilet. Nothing much to see here. Let's move on. Right? And then before we actually go to the main living area, there's a door here. Let's slide it open. This is a Mikuni onsen area. So again, you have the wash basin here, the mirror. The lighting will improve. Wait, the sun's a little bit bright outside. Anyway, so this is onsen, natural mineral hot springs. Kakenagashi means it's free flow, no additional artificial, non-hot springs water added. It's straight from the source, no, not recycled at all. This is where you shower. You can see, yeah, there's a nice ocean view. We'll take a look at it from the living area in a second. But really nice big bath. So this area of Fukui is known. So there's a crab called red snow crab. It's generically called zuaigani, but there's different names for the crab depending on where you get it. And I guess according to connoisseurs, they taste quite a bit different. Anyway, so for instance, in the Hyogo and Kyoto, I think Hyogo area, they call it, like Kinosaki and places like that, they call it matsubagani. In Kanazawa or Ishikawa prefecture and Toyama, they call it zuaigani, which is also the generic name. I guess it's the equivalent of Kleenex. Over here, it's called echizen crab, echizen gani. And depending on who you ask, some people think it's the best. Actually, quite a few people think it's the best. We're here in late June, so it's not in season. That starts on November 6th. But it's absolutely delicious. We haven't had echizen crab, but we've tried other snow crab, especially the one, the matsubagani. Actually, we have tried echizen crab in Fukui about 15 years ago. Anyway, so this is the living area. So there's a sofa, TV behind me. There's a little Japanese style sitting area. I guess it's just more decoration than anything. So I'm not going to bother opening it, but there's a mini bar, there's cups, coffee machine, all of that. Water, and then more water in the complimentary fridge. Some more storage. So let's walk up in the wash. So this is really nice. This is a corner room. So some of the other rooms are actually over here to the left, all the other rooms, which you get a really nice view of the ocean, but that's kind of all you see. But in room 102, you can see the coastline, which is kind of nice. We'll go out in a second to look at it, but let me give you a better look at the living area. It's the Japanese area. And then the main sitting area. So again, this is along the coast of the Sea of Japan, or Nihonkai as they say. And again, the crab is awesome. You want to come between November 6th and sometime in March. I have to double check the dates. I don't know how the lighting is right now because the sun's kind of not behind us. But this is the coast. Really soothing stuff. And then I forgot the name, but there's a coastline. There's a cliff area at the edge, the left edge of this frame. I'll point it out when I post it, but it's actually well known. Here, zoom in. And you can walk over there. There's some really nice rock formations. Anyway, so this is what you get from room 102 at Bouyourou in Fukui Prefecture in the Mikuni area, along the Sea of Japan coast. Hope you enjoyed. See you at dinner.